Hello everybody. Alright, just a beautiful day up here. It's Sunday and I'm doing a few projects here and there. No rush whatsoever. Did a couple little things outside here, trying to do some spring cleanup, and did a little in my shack. But one thing I did for my radio stuff, I had to see if I could raise my 160 meter skyloop antenna up just a little bit. Because if you see my other videos, it goes through the trees and everything, so over time the tree limbs might snap and then it puts a lot of slack. So I was getting a lot of slack in my antenna. I don't know if you can see that black wire is almost stealth. So what I did was, on this side here, right on there, it used to come shoot straight out. So what I did was, I took the antenna, I got a pole, and I scooched the part of the antenna up over that tree right there, took some slack out. Because before, it was like almost like 9 feet off the ground. You could almost jump up and touch it. But I got that leg up higher. Alright, let's take a walk down. It's a beautiful day, catching some rays. Just in case nobody's seen my other videos on my 160 meter skyloop. The antenna's about 535 feet long. And yeah, you can't see it. I mean, that black wire really blends in. Comes all the way down here. So right here, it's maybe like 40 or 50 feet high because you can't see it. But because the way the yard slopes up, by the time it gets to the top, even though if it's a straight line, it's going to be much lower to the ground. Oh, I got to hang on here. Hey, sweetheart. Like, I got to pause this. Neighbor's dog. I'm under attack here. Oh, there she goes. The mauling has ended. Didn't expect that. Hold on, I gotta pause this again. Okay, sorry about that. It's my neighbor dog. That dog loves me. Something about women and dogs just love me. I don't know why. I got them all fooled. So anyhow, it's that antenna. Scooch it up over the tree, bit lower up there. By the time it gets down here, this might be 40 or 50 feet, and it wraps around this tree back here. I'll keep walking here. And down here, it's only, I can't even see it, maybe like 18 feet off the ground here. But where the big thing is, I was having a problem by the time it comes out of this tree here. That's a long shot, same as the other side. And you're gonna get a lot of sag in there. So, it's hard to see. I keep saying that. Okay, so down here, because the tree limbs were snapping, it was cutting across like right there. So I did was, once again, I got a pole and I scooched the antenna up over this little tree growing here. And after that, I should get in the shade here so I can see my viewfinder. And then up there, I raised that up just a little bit. Here, let's jump up on the roof and I'll show you what I did up there. All right, I'll be back. All right, here we are up on the roof. And I said it before, but I can't see anything in my viewfinder because it's so sunny. But yeah, I was standing down there. And the next step here, here's my little mast pipe coming up that I have my pulley and parachute cord connected to. I just loosened up my hose clamps and I scooched that up just I don't know, about another foot or so. Let's see, make sure not to fall off the roof. I am, yeah, 6'1". And I can't even come close to touching that pulley. I got another little foot or so to go to touch that pulley. But yeah, coming out of that pulley, for those who want to know, it goes through that tree right there. And then through that other tree. And then over to the BALUN. I got to fix my BALUN situation still. It's still not completely done. I've just been so busy, I can't get to it. But I'm thinking about doing, I might raise my beam up a few more feet. And then I'll be able to raise my BALUN up a few more feet as well, so that'll get me a little bit more height. But as you can see, I really don't need much height up here. The antenna that high off the ground, because my location is just crazy high. As you can see, there's nothing but horizon way out into the distance. So let me zoom out there. As far as the eye can see, nothing but horizon. So I got that going for me. But all right, gonna get out of here. It's been KP68 doing some 160 meter skyloop antenna maintenance. All right, guys, I'm gonna go have me a barbecue. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.